I've learned the ways of planning effective maintenance for scheduled maintenance and predictive maintenance. And I think it's useful for me because it changed my ways of thinking and gain a lot of insight of how to organize something more efficiently.
About maintenance, PDM, PM, and how to do a preventive maintenance, predictive maintenance, and the stage of the maintenance. Yes, a good job, because we never learn this within our site at our factory, at our plant. So this, for me, this is a very good exposure and opportunity. I personally, for me, I'm really satisfied.
He always willing to listen our problems and give the best suggestion and ways to solve these problems. And he also conducted many fun activities for us working in groups to let us know more about these topics.
Okay, currently actually the service in terms of the location and then the sourcing, whatever you give, for me,